again, 5th primary student and the rest of our January revision under the supervision of the Ministry of Education. Okay. In the past half, we talked about the transformation, types of transformation, symmetrical figures, and the coordinates and how to get them, how to get the reflection of a shape around a line of symmetry. Now we will revise the rest of our lessons. So we will start with the frequency tables and collecting and organizing data. So here we said before that we want to collect, if you want to collect data and organize them in a certain way, we can conduct a survey. يعني بناخد رأي ناس وبنسجل آرائهم وبنبدأ نرتبها في tables، أو إن إحنا we can just count، أو إحنا put or plot الداتا اللي عندنا على graphs، وكلمنا إنه في different types of graphs that we can use. Okay. So first I would like to remind you with the tallies, or when I have a table and I want to get a frequency table. I have a table of data as you see in front of us here. We have some marks and we want to construct a frequency table. This is a simple frequency table. It's not a cumulative frequency table لأنه هنا العدد بتاع entries بتاعتي أو عدد الناس included في الستادي بتاعتي مش كبير، والفروقات بين الجريدز أو الماركس برضو مش كبيرة. فإن this case زي ما قلنا قبل كده إحنا بنستعمل simple frequency table، وقلنا إن إحنا بس بنستعمل cumulative frequency table in case إنه difference أو I have a wide range between or big range, large range between entries بتاعتي أو between الناس أو عدد الناس اللي أنا I include them in my study. Okay. This one is a simple frequency table. I have here the marks. All the marks that they have got in this class were 4, 5, 6 and 7. فببدأ أشوف عندي كل رقم متكرر كام مرة، وكل مرة بشوف الرقم عندي بحط tally في التالي column. فهنبدأ بأول grade which is 4. فعندي هنا ال 4 اتكررت 1 2 3 and 4 times. فهلاقي إنه أنا حطيت عندي 4 tallies. طيب أنا عايزة أحول التاليز دي لنمبرز. It means that I have frequency or I have a frequency table now. So each tally بتمثل العدد واحد. So I have 4 tallies, which means that in the frequency column I have 4 or the number 4. Now I want the 5. Okay. كم حد حصل على the mark 5؟ تاني I count 1 2 3 4 and 5. يبقى أنا عندي 5 people they have got the mark 5 or they have got 5. ففي الحالة دي برسم أو بكتب 4 tallies and I cross them with the 5th one. Okay. يبقى عندي bundle of tallies. Each 5 tallies form a bundle. So here I have 5. Okay, now I will move to the grade 6. How many people have got 6? So here I count 1 2 3 4. Do I have any other 6 here? No. So I have only 4 people, so I have 4 tallies, and when I transform them into numbers in the frequency column, they will be the number 4. Okay, now the last one, 7. How many people have got 7? I have here 1 and another one. and that's it. Only 2 people have got 7. So I write or I draw 2 tallies, and in the frequency column they will be only the number 2. Okay, here the following table shows the distribution of 20 students according to the type of movies they like. I have 2 rows in this column, the movies and the number of students. The movies are sci-fi, drama, romance, action, and comedy. And I want you to get the percentage of people who like every type of movies, and then we can put it on a pie chart. We'll go to the board to do it together, okay? Okay, here we have this table, and we want to get the percentage for or the percentage of the people who likes or who like every type of these movies. The first type is sci-fi. Before I answer this question, there's a very important thing that I need to highlight here. And I have to check first how many students do I have before I start, أو how many people عندي before I start. فأنا هنا عندي 20 people. يبقى ده ال overall number of students اللي هعرف النسبة بتاعة الستودنتس اللي بيحبوا كل نوع من ال overall number ده عشان أطلع ال percentage. فأنا عندي هنا ال overall 20. Sci-fi, how many students like sci-fi movies? I have 4 students. So 4 out of the 20 students الموجودين عندي. 4 من ال 20 students الموجودين عندي. So it's gonna be, I'm sorry. So it's gonna be 4 over 20. Okay? So here it's 4 over 20. So when I simplify it, لأنه ال 4 وال 20 الاثنين عندهم common factor 4. So 4 divided 4 is 1 and 20 divided 4 is 5. So it's 1 over 5. Drama قد ايه بيحبوها؟ 1 student only من ال 20 students like drama. خلاص 1 is the simplest form of everything, so I cannot simplify this one furthermore. Now we move to romance. عندي 6 students بيحبوا romance من ال 20 students اللي عندي, so it's 6 over 20 divided 2 is 3 and divided 2 is 1. Now action, I have 5 students who like action movies, so عندي كده 5 من ال 20 students, which is 5 over 20. Again, divided 5 is 1 and divided 20 divided 5 is 4, which is 1 over 4. And now the last one is comedy. We have 4 students من ال 20 students الموجودين عندي بيحبوا الكوميدي, so it's 4 over 20. 4 divided 4 is 1 and 20 divided 4 is 5, so this is 1 over 5. طيب خلاص دلوقتي I have got the percentage or I've got the fraction for every one of them. دلوقتي عايزة أحطهم على pie chart زي ما إحنا شايفين هنا. favorite type of movie أنا عندي الكوميدي كان 20% here. This is 20. Okay, here the comedy is 20%, goes for comedy, and then action 25%. So here 25% goes for action, and then romance it's 30%. Then drama 5% because I have only 1 student who likes drama, and sci-fi also 20%. So here, if you look on this pie chart, we can tell which type they like the most here. And as you see here, Romance is the type that students like the most because it has got 30%. أعلى نسبة فيهم الرومانس. طيب the least بقى، يعني ايه أقل نوع الستودنتس بيحبوه؟ As we see here, it's drama because it has got only 5%. طيب what are the two types that are liked equally؟ عندي هنا two types الستودنتس بيحبوهم بنفس النسبة. طيب let's check. احنا تعاملنا خلاص مع الرومانس مع الدراما. or what else do I have؟ عندي action، عندي comedy، عندي sci-fi. Action 25%, comedy 20%, and sci-fi also 20%. يبقى ال two types which are like the same are the comedy and sci-fi. These are the two types which are like the same and each of them has got 20%. يبقى أنا بستخدم ليه الجراف؟ لأنه بالنظر لما ببص عليها الدنيا بتبقى أسهل ليا إني أطلع المعلومات اللي أنا محتاجاها أكتر ما ببص على الأرقام. ممكن عيني ما تظبطش قوي أو أتلخبط وأنا ببص، لكن الجراف أو البيكتشر whatever it is بتبقى أوضح، بتوصل أسهل للأذهان. Okay. Here, pick a flower picture graph. عندي question تاني. pick a flower picture graph. عندي هنا الليبل Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. ده الليبل بتاعي، عندي أيام. والتايتل بتاعي pick a flower picture graph، يعني how many flowers are picked in every day of those days. في كل يوم من دول احنا كنا بنقطف قد ايه ورد من الحقول. عندي هنا حاجة ناقصة. احنا قلنا قبل انه اهم حاجة في البيكتشر جراف انه يكون عندي تايتل ويكون عندي ليبل، واهم حاجة في كل ده انه يكون عندي كي. يعني لازم يبقى المفتاح بتاع حل البيكتشر جراف موجود عندي. لازم يبقى عندي كي بيعرفني كل واحدة من الفلاورز دي أو كل object من الموجودين عندي is exactly equal to what. الكي هنا عندي إنه one whole flower equals to 20 flowers while half a flower equals to 10 flowers. ما ينفعش أبداً picture graph يتحل من غير ما يكون فيه كي. أوكي؟ وما ينفعش أبدأ أحله من غير ما أعمل checking for the key. طيب let's answer this one together. أنا برضو تاني عملت تيبل تاني عندي فيه ال days Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday، وعايزة أعرف how many flowers did we pick every day of those days. Okay, so أنا قلت إن أنا عندي a whole flower 20 and half a flower is 10. أنا بفضل إن إحنا قبل ما نحل أي سؤال ليه علاقة بالبيكتشر جراف إنه إحنا نكتب النمبرز بتاعت كل ليبل عندي جنبها. أوكي؟ لازم أكتب النمبر بتاع الأوبجكتس الموجودة عندي جنب كل entry موجود، جنب كل day موجود، وبعد كده هلاقي إنه إجابة الأسئلة already موجودة قدامي. Just I'm gonna copy it and put it in its original place. ممكن ان انتوا ما تعملوش ده وتشوفوا ايه الاسئله المطلوبه وتجاوبوا عليها، بس ما تبقاش الدنيا دايما مظبوطه. اوكي so let's start. عندي في Sunday احنا قلنا a whole flower equals 20 so 20 40 plus 10 because it's a half flower so it's 50. Monday 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160. So this is 160. Wednesday, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. Friday, 20, 40, 60 and 80. The last day, Saturday, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and half a flower is 10, so it's 110. خلاص عندي all the days are ready, then I just can copy them in their places. Here, how many flowers did we pick on Sunday? 50. خلاص, we already did it. How many flowers on Monday? 160. It's already done. I'm sorry. Wednesday, how many flowers? 100. Friday, how many flowers? It's 80. Saturday, how many flowers? I have 110. So when you answer it this way, inside the table, when you put your data, prepare your data, دايما حضر السؤال بتاعك، دايما حضر مسألتك. طلع كل المعلومات الموجودة على جنب تبقى واضحة قدام عينيك قبل ما تبدأ تحل، الدنيا تبقى أسهل بكتير. So here I have copied them inside my table, and I just see what are the questions they want or what are the info for every day they want. I just copy it and put it in its place. Now let's move to another question. The title, what is the title here? It's favorite food. Over here, favorite food, pasta, pizza, burger. The labels are going to be here, number of kids that like food and the food itself, okay? Types of food. So here I draw my graph, and I have a scale. Here I will make a bar graph, or I will draw a bar graph. بس لو أخذنا بالنا أنا عندي هنا إنه الفيفوريت فود برجر 5, pizza 45, pasta 20. هنا في سكيل كبير شوية، فأنا محتاجة إنه همشي هنا بالنمبر of kids. I will jump in 5. مش همشي 1 2 3. همشي 0 5 10 15 and so on. Multiples of 5, okay? So it's gonna be 0 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 and so on. طيب ايه هو الليبل بتاع الفود؟ انا عندي بس 3 types of food: pasta, pizza and burger. وطبعا بار جراف بعملهم بعيد عن بعض. pasta, pizza and burger. Okay. طيب هنا I'll start. How many students or how many kids like pasta? There are 20. So I will count here 5, 10, 15, then 20. So this is gonna be the top of my bar graph. This is gonna be the top of my bar graph. So here, as you see, I'll draw my bar graph. Its top is 20. So here, pasta is done. Now I'll move to the pizza. How many kids like pizza? 45. Then I will go here to the pizza part. Then I will count 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 35, sorry, 40 and 45. Then I will go over the pizza to the 45 part, and I'll draw a line. This is going to be my top or the roof of my bar. Then here, as you see, I draw my bar and its top is 45. Then we are done with the pizza. Now, how many kids like burger? Only 5. Then I will go to the burger and I will count till 5 over here, so it's only here. So if you look here, you will find that the bar is small one over here for the burger. So this is how I draw a bar graph. Okay, now let's move to another question. Draw a histogram and a frequency polygon for the following data. Okay, here I have a cumulative frequency table. As we said before, we use cumulative frequency tables when we have a large range of items and the differences are big. So here I have intervals from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and so on. And the number of students are 5, 12, 15, 22, 14, and 4. These are the number of students who have got the marks that are written in the dark row, okay? So here I have my graph. I'll start first by drawing a histogram, and then I will add to it the frequency polygon. We don't start with the frequency polygon. Okay, so I have here students and here marks, okay? The highest, I have to check first the highest or the biggest number of students who have got a certain mark. يعني الأول ببص على العدد بتاع الستودنتس، بشوف إيه أكبر عدد للستودنتس كان موجود عندي عند مارك معينة، فأكبر عدد للستودنتس كان 22. أوكي؟ يبقى هنا لما أجي أكتب عند الواي أكسس عدد الستودنتس أو أقسم الانترفلز بتاعتهم أو أكتب الأرقام عشان أحط البيانات بتاعتي، يبقى لازم يكون أنا حاطة سكيل أكبر من ال 22. فأنا هنا مشيت by 4، فإتس 4 8 12 16 20 and 24 عشان أضمن إنه أنا لما يبقى عندي عدد 22 students هيبقى موجود مكانه عندي على الواي اكسس. طيب بالنسبة للإكس اكسس أو الماركس، أنا كان عندي أكبر مارك من 50 to 60، يبقى برضو لازم هقف عن 60 أو بعد ال 60 بشوية، ما ينفعش يكون عندي السكيل أقل من ال 60. Okay, and then I start. So here the marks from 0 to 10, number of students are 5. So from 0 to 10, the number of students are 5. طبعا ما عنديش هنا 5 على ال y-axis, so usually we work on a graded paper. مش بتبقى البيبر سادة زي دي، عادة بتبقى graph paper graded، فبيبقى الموضوع أسهل شوية إن احنا نكاونت. So after 4 1 ملي بس بنعمل هي التوب بتاعت الهيستوجرام بتاعت البار بتاعت الهيستوجرام. So here it's almost 5. Now from 10 to 20 we have 12. So yes, we have an exact 12 here. So here it's 12. Now from 20 to 30 يبقى كده هنا خلاص دي خلاص. From 20 to 30 عندي 15، يعني هتبقى أقل من ال 16 بشوية صغيرين جدا. Okay. From 30 to 40 it's 22، يبقى هطلع هنا عند قبل ال 24، بين ال 20 وال 24 بالظبط. Okay. Now from 40 to 50 it's 14. Okay. يبقى بين ال 12 وال 16. And the last one from 50 to 60 it's going to be just 4. Okay. يبقى أنا هنا عملت الهيستوجرام بتاعتي. هعمل الفريكونسي بوليجون زي ما قلنا قبل كده. أهم حاجة في الفريكونسي بوليجون إنه أنا هاجي عند الميد بوينت بتاعت كل بار من الهيستوجرام وهعمل point and then I'm going to join these points to each other and I will get a broken line. هو ده الفريكونسي بوليجون بتاعي. So here أهي midpoint between 0 and 10. I'll join it, then from 10 to 20, then from 20 to 30, again from 30 to 40, and here from 40 to 50, and I join them from 50 to 60, and I join them, and that's it. Okay. And that's all for this year's curriculum. We have finished all our lessons now and we have revised also all of them. Thank you. Wish you best of luck.